Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the InstaSize AI Photo Editor app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. InstaSize is an AI-powered photo editing app designed to help users create high-quality images for social media and personal use. The app integrates a variety of editing tools, including filters, background removal, text overlays, stickers, and resizing options, all in one place. It also supports batch editing, portrait enhancement, and exporting images in multiple resolutions. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users widely appreciate InstaSize for its intuitive interface, fast processing, and AI-powered tools that simplify complex edits. It allows users to enhance photos, create social media-ready content, and quickly adjust image dimensions for different platforms. Many users also like that the app includes creative templates and effects for adding unique flair to their photos. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. While some features are free, full access to premium tools requires a subscription, which may not be affordable for everyone. There are occasional reports of occasional lag on older devices, and certain advanced features may feel limited compared to desktop photo editors. Also, the app's AI enhancements may not always produce perfect results, requiring manual adjustments. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the InstaSize app may be worth using if you're looking for a convenient, AI-powered photo editor to create polished images quickly. It shines in usability, creative options, and social media-friendly tools. However, if you need fully professional-level editing without subscription limits, you may need to consider more advanced desktop alternatives. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.